In this video, what I'm going to do is show you very quickly how to insert citations, how to insert bibliography very quickly using the citations and bibliography tool within Microsoft Word. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got a Word document opened up here. It's a quick written piece I've written for the purpose of this video, talking and discussing how to upskill digital literacy skills. Now within this, I've used four books to help me write this piece. So the four books I've just listed at the bottom because I'm going to use the information here to create my in-text citations and to create my bibliography in Harvard referencing format. So what I'm going to do is guide you, show you how to access the citations and bibliography tool within Microsoft Word. So at the top here, you've got your ribbon, you've got file, home, insert, drawer, design, layout, so on and so forth. Go to references here. Now, when you click on references, you will see an option here called citations and bibliography. Now, my educational establishment want me to write my references in Harvard referencing format. And you can see here a drop down where you've got different formats of references which you could use to help you write your references. But my university want me to write my references in Harvard format. That's the one I'm going to choose here from this drop down list. That's the first thing you need to decide, which format is your references going to be in. The next thing I need to do is you'll see an option here called insert citations. So this is where you're crediting your source within your piece of work, but I'm going to add my sources within insert citations into the database within Word so I can reference it later on. So I'm going to click on insert citations. A drop down will appear, will ask you whether you want to add new source, add new placeholder. I just want to add a new source there. So click on that, a pop-up box will appear like this. So this is the pop-up box allowing you to create that source within Microsoft Word. So the type of source is a book on this occasion. And then I'm just going to use the number one here. The first source I used to create my Word document. So the author's name is Lorenzo Cantoni, like that. The title of the book is Digital Literacy, and the year of the book was 2023. By the way, just for the purpose of this video, these are fictitious sources I've asked AI to create for me, to generate for me for this video. If you're doing a piece of academic writing, make sure you're using legit sources. So I've not got the city, publisher or edition here, so I'm just going to leave that blank. But if you do have that, put those in when you are filling your sources in. The next thing you do is click on OK, like that. And you can see all of a sudden, it's added that in-text citation in there. I don't want it there. I'm just going to delete it because I'm going to use it later on. Oh. There you go, gone. So I've added my first source. Now to get that source back, if you click on insert citations, you can see it's there now. So Lorenzo Cantoni, Digital Literacy, that's the book. And that was my first book I used. So I'm going to go ahead and add the others, and I'm going to fast forward this video. So I've now added my four sources. You can see at the top, they've all been added here, so I can reference them later on. So all you simply do now is scroll through your Word document and you just add your in-text citations to the places where you've got or use that information from. So the first, for example, sentence here, put a space after here because I want the first in-text citation or the first source to go in there as an in-text citation. So you see Cantoni there, and if you've used that work later on in the Word document, again you can scroll through your Word document. Let's say I've added it there as well, go through, add that in-text citation in there. So let's say you've used number 2, the book by Upskilling Your Digital Literacy by Catherine Higgs. So you go through your Word document. Let's say I've used that information here, like that, put a space, then find Catherine Higgs' work, pop it in there, and again later on here, so on and so forth, and go through that Word document adding your sources in the different places within that Word document. So I've got a few in-text citations added. Let me add one more in here, my fourth one in here, just for the purpose of this video, like this. So Pegram, Kuro, Higgs, and the first one was Cantoni here. But that's not the only thing which Word allows you to do. So I've added my in-text citations very quickly. Let's say I want to add my bibliography list now in Harvard formatting here at the bottom, which can be quite challenging on occasions. Word allows you to do that because we've added our sources into Word. All you simply do in the same options, citations and bibliography here, what you do here is you go through the drop down and you choose a format for your bibliography. So obviously the way my university work, they ask us to write a reference list as opposed to a bibliography. Reference list is the work you've directly cited within the main body of the report. Bibliography is reading you've done which is not necessarily cited in the main body of the report. So I'm going to use the references here because I've cited all 4 sources like this, and you can see now, scroll up, that reference list has also been automatically generated in alphabetical order in Harvard referencing format. So that's just a very quick and easy way to show you how to use the citations and bibliography tool within Microsoft Word. I hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.